to 20 car. Buckle up, because the 2025 Chevrolet Avalanche Unofficial Concept isn't just a truck, it's a rolling thunderstorm with chrome muscles and a heart of fire. One glance, and you're hooked. It's tall, it's wide, and it's got those sharp, futuristic LED eyes that almost dare you to race it. With sculpted body lines that look carved by mountain winds and a grille so bold it could stop traffic, the Avalanche storms into the future looking absolutely savage. Slide inside, and it's like stepping into a luxury spaceship. The dashboard is a digital fortress, a massive panoramic screen stretching edge to edge, wrapped in supple leather and brushed aluminum. Buttons? Ancient history. It's all touch, gesture, and voice, smooth, fast, and so satisfying. Under the hood, the Avalanche flexes with a 6.6 liters V8 twin-turbo, pumping out a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers height? A wild 4.2 seconds. Yes, a full-size beast hitting sports car numbers. Who's standing in its way? The Ford F-150 Lightning, Tesla Cybertruck, and Ram 1500 Rev, but none look as feral as this Avalanche. Estimated price tag? Around $75,000, not bad for a pickup that eats highways for breakfast. Ownership costs stay decent, $1,200 annual maintenance, insurance around $1,800, and slow depreciation thanks to its cult status looks. On the road, it drives like a velvet sledgehammer, shockingly smooth, yet every stomp of the pedal feels like unleashing a stampede. Pros? Monstrous power, futuristic interior, brutal looks. Cons? She's thirsty, expect 14 miles per gallon, and tight parking garages are gonna hate you.